Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki. Today we will briefly look at how to increase the speed or the duration of multiple images or multiple clips on Premiere Pro. So I have some images here. I will use image because that is so I have this image here. I will just drag and drop them on this place. So we have them like this. Now I want to increase the speed because by default, anytime you bring in a picture, each picture will have 5 seconds each picture. So what I want to do, I want to increase the resolution by any amount, right? Now if I select all of them and drag, which is me, I've selected everything, at the end of the day, the only thing that will be increased will be the last clip. So I would control Z. Now if I said okay, let me also right click on this and go to speed and duration and then increase each of them to like 10 seconds. And when I click OK, it will still be the last clip that will increase. So how to solve this is basically right click, go to speed and duration, increase, check on this ripple edit, shifting and trailing clips. Once you click on it, then let's increase this to like 10 seconds. Then we will click OK. You'll see that all the clips have 10 seconds. So if I just right click on one of these and go, you see that each clip is 10 seconds. So thank you for watching. If this is of any help to you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye-bye.